Chinese tech stocks are soaring. The Hang Seng Tech Index has jumped over 45% in recent weeks. The catalyst? A new stimulus package from the Chinese government. The package aims to revive China's slowing economy. It includes measures like interest rate cuts and infrastructure spending. These moves have boosted investor confidence. The rally is a welcome sign for investors. This should benefit Chinese tech companies that rely on domestic spending. The rally in Chinese tech stocks isn't just about short covering. Market data suggests that fresh buying is the primary driver. Data on short interest in major Chinese tech companies like Alibaba and Tencent shows little change. Investors are drawn to the attractive valuations of these companies. This fresh buying is a positive sign. Not everyone is convinced about the sustainability of the rally. Some short sellers are maintaining their bearish bets. They argue that the recent gains are not justified by the fundamentals. These skeptics point to ongoing economic challenges in China. Weak consumer spending and a struggling property market are causes for concern. They worry that these issues could hinder the recovery of the tech sector. Additionally, short sellers highlight the intense competition within the Chinese tech industry. Companies face constant pressure to innovate and capture market share. This fierce rivalry can erode profitability and make it difficult for companies to maintain their growth trajectory. The short sellers also express concerns about government intervention. While the current stimulus package is seen as positive, they worry about future policies. Too much interference, they argue, could stifle innovation and harm the sector's long-term prospects. Section 4. Options market hints at further gains. The bullish sentiment towards Chinese tech isn't limited to stock prices. The options market also reflects this optimism. Investors are placing bets on further gains, anticipating a continued upward trend. The volume of call options, which give the holder the right to buy shares at a specific price, has surged. This indicates that investors are positioning themselves for further upside in the sector. Large-cap Chinese tech stocks are seeing particularly strong interest. Bets on gains for these companies have reached near record levels. This suggests that investors are confident in the ability of these industry leaders to outperform in the coming months. The activity in the options market provides further evidence that the positive sentiment is widespread. It's not just short-term traders who are bullish. Institutional investors with a longer-term horizon are also betting on Chinese tech. Section 5. A note of caution amidst the optimism. While the recent rally is encouraging, it's essential to remain grounded. Market sentiment can shift quickly, and past performance is not always a reliable indicator of future returns. Investors should remember that Chinese tech stocks are still subject to significant risks. The economic outlook for China remains uncertain, and the regulatory landscape can be unpredictable. It's crucial to approach any investment decision with a healthy dose of caution. Thorough research and a clear understanding of the potential risks are essential. Diversification across different asset classes and geographies can also help mitigate risk. The allure of quick gains can be tempting, but it's crucial to maintain a long-term perspective. Investing is not about timing the market perfectly. It's about patiently building a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 6. The potential for long-term growth. Despite the risks, the long-term growth potential of the Chinese tech sector remains compelling. China is home to a vast and increasingly affluent consumer base, which provides fertile ground for tech innovation. Chinese tech companies lead in e-commerce, mobile payments, and AI. They are well positioned for digital economy growth, both domestically and globally. The Chinese government supports the tech sector for future economic growth. For long-term investors, the recent rally in Chinese tech stocks presents an opportunity.